Mic check, 1, 2, mic. Mic check. 1, 2. Mic check. Move this right there. Get a nice little VWAP bounce right here. I'm gonna go into a bid. I'm gonna try to go long if we start curling up. The market is green, pretty green today, so we're pushy. Stop loss set at negative $150, as always. Looking good. We're gonna be breaking above the 9 EMA. Copy that. There we go, $250 on the XFA. Switch back to the evals. Valuation account, we're up 360 right now. I'm going to trail behind this trade. We went long here as we were bouncing off VWAP and just sort of consolidating between the 9 EMA and VWAP. I went into a trade, went long. I was up about 400 on it, but I took about 250 on that. Not too bad. We'll see if we bounce off VWAP again and we can get to another long. How's everyone doing? Yeah, Tyson, I saw your screenshot. Great job, man. Let me share the vertical video and the horizontal. I got a XFA account right here. We're up about 250 bucks on it. I don't know if I want to go too risky. I'm trying to get a payout on this guy. And then we have our evaluation. It's up $270. Vertical stream. Horizontal. There we go. What's up, Strike? I like that profile photo you got. Yeah, I'm surprised he's still here or still around. I guess you just haven't been active in the Discord. And saw that I'm active again. Let's see if I can find you in it. Strike. Oh yeah, he's still there. Oh, you haven't posted in almost like 8 months. And I'm tempted to just go really aggressive on the Express account. We're up 250, but we're breaking right below the VWAP. Quality is really nice on YouTube vertical. I like it. Sorry, the chat box is in the way. That would have been a perfect entry. I was looking to go long right here. We broke down below VWAP, but it still looked a little bullish. Would have been a nice big trade. So we're breaking this little structure here. We're downtrending for a while. I'm gonna like it if we come back and back test right here. Maybe go into a buy. I'm gonna go ahead and set that order there. I got a tenant calling. One sec. Nestor said he's going to Home Depot and gonna buy the faucet or the little handle. Is it leaking? He messaged this morning and I paid for the part. So he should be coming by. Is everything okay? Yeah. Yeah, he should be there. No problem. Yeah, we'll take care of it. No. Yeah, no, we'll take care of that for you. All right, thank you. You have a good day. Bye. The rent check. I need to check if I deposited it yet. I don't even know. But I'll send you a screenshot when I do. All right, bye. What time frame are we looking at? This is the 1 minute time frame. So it's a 1 minute chart of NQ. And I didn't get filled, so I'm gonna take that order off. I was hoping to get this backtest candle right here. So what we did is we had this large push on this large green candle. And then I wanted to get a backtest. You can use like a Fibonacci to catch the 50% retracement or whatever. And I wanted to trade from here, from 941 up to that break of the 50 MA, but missed it. Please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds. What? All right, if we come back down to test VWAP again, I may get in. VWAP's going to be that orange line on your screen. We do have the 9 EMA sitting right here at 937. We have a water leak in one of our houses. We're coming down to VWAP. We got rejected at the 50 MA. You know, we still have a long ways down. We had a large move up from, I think it was payroll or something like that. So we got to be aware that there is this large area down here that may drag the market down to fill to the downside. So just keep that on our screens as just like a constant reminder that the market can pull back if it does. So we're up, what? We're up 1.6% on the NASDAQ. So that's quite a move. You just dealt with that yesterday? Yeah, it's not a big deal. I got my contractor working on it now. It's just 300 bucks out of my pocket though. Oh, we're just trading around the 9 EMA. You know, we could get a large push up. We're putting in a higher low right here on the shorter time frame. But man, this is scary having this down here, right? All right, let's see how Neo is doing it. Neo, we have some contracts on there. Neo's down 2% today. Am I still in 8 contracts? Yeah, I thought I had some contracts set to sell, but simulate the returns. If Neo moves up to like $7 within a week or so, let's see what it will get. $6. I think we can make a move to $7. About $1,400. What is it at now? We're profit 472 on Neo for now. Not too bad. The account's still sitting around $20,000. Jumped up to 21.5. All right, so the market wicked down to VWAP. It had a nice little bounce there. Now we're talking about putting a buy at VWAP too. That would have been a perfect fill. Your dad did construction, taught you everything. Yeah, I could do it all too. I could do flooring, tile, set up a shower, all that stuff. It's just I prefer not to now. And that VWAP bounce would have been perfect. Do you have rentals, Tyson? All right, if we bounce off the 9 EMA right here, we should go long. If we can break above the 50 EMA. Looks like the 9 is about to cross the 50 as well. I'm going to go into one. I'm a little green today. We'll go ahead and risk 125. Let's see if we can get a 50 EMA break to the upside. It popped up a little bit. They're pushing it down. Let's see if this candle can break above. I'm going to move my stop loss. I'm just risking about $85 on this. Nope. Got pushed back down. Had a tight stop, so it's not too big a deal for me. Appreciate the subscription, Sutani. Oh, nice. You have one rental? Yeah, I went a little crazy one for like 2 years. I bought 10 homes 1 year, and then I started flipping houses, just buying, selling, renting, owner financing it out, and all that creative stuff. I went through maybe almost 20 homes. It's all just a blur. I don't even remember what I did. But then I looked in this box where I kept all the title company, all the closing docs, and it's just like the box is just full of closing documents. I'm gonna go back into that long. Let's go and try it. Breaking above the 50, wicking above it. Trade's good. If you want to take a base hit, you can just take $100. I just did it. So the 9 is about to cross the 50. So we should get a nice little movements to the upside right here. I'm happy where I'm at. I'm up quite a bit. 250. Okay, I got a payment in. Got some rental payments. I got my trademark denied. We got some products being made. The test results were good on it. Okay. All right, so we're coming back down. If we bounce off the 9, I'm going to go ahead and try a long position again. We're going to stay a little biased to the long side until something breaks either direction. So I'm going to keep my stop loss. We'll do 5 points. See if we can get fill. I'm going to put my order at 951.25. Here comes a red candle. There we go. We are in. Got the bottom wick. Look at that. I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. Keep it tight. I feel like there's going to be a lot of reversals today. And that was a reversal candle. I was able to take some profit on it. So we're coming back down to VWAP. We may be making a lower high right here. Establishing like a downtrend. And we might just come down to start filling in this little gap. Yeah. All right. See you, man. See you Monday. All right, the 9 is crossing above the 50. This is a nice little engulfing candle. We may try to, or I may try to get into on a back test. It's just taking off. Damn. So long bias. We've been long bias. I think we're right for now. Market's up 327 points. This may be like a 400 or 500 point day. Coming down the back test, I'm gonna put a order in to go long. All right, so if you are in the chat room, if you could help me out, and if you're on the vertical screen, can you just go ahead and double tap your screen? It should send a like to the video, and it should help with the YouTube algorithms. We're gonna go ahead and start up just TikTok, just have it running. Alright, the market looks really pushy. I don't know if I'm gonna get filled. I take my order off. It's not gonna get filled. Alright, we're coming back down to the 9 EMA here. I may try to go long. Yeah, let's go ahead. We'll do a long. I'm gonna keep the stop loss right below the 9 EMA. Risking about $80 on this trade. It's already up a little bit green. We'll give it some time. We're up $100. I already took profit. I'm up $370 for today. A webcam froze. Yeah, I was trying to load it up on TikTok real quick, and that's what it does. All right, let me see if I can fix the webcam. It's a nice little side profile. There we go. We got it back to working. Appreciate it. All right, so we are on the Express. This is the Express funded. We're up at 370. I don't think I want to trade this one anymore because if I keep doing it, I'm just gonna blow the account. I know myself. Let's switch back to the on the evaluation account. Look at that, keeping our trade short. We may just be establishing a downtrend right here. Alright, Express. I guess I'll start posting the profits flex. $330. Not looking. Let's take the base. I think we can grow to 10,000. We'll go ahead and ping it. Yeah, the executions, everything has been on point lately. My thought process has been right. Sometimes I'm taking profit too soon. Sometimes I'm not taking profit. The mental trades, when you don't go into them, it's always like perfect. But no, I've been trading pretty good lately. And even on the trades that I'm losing, even the way I'm losing on them, it's good. the worst way to lose on a trade is when you break your rules. So it looks like the market may be trying to find a reversal point here. So I think the bias might switch to bearish. So a great entry, which I'm not going to do on the Express account. I'm going to do it on evaluation. Let's switch to evaluation. I'm going to look to go short, maybe around 17,961. That's where the 9 EMA would get rejected. I'm going to leave my order here at 17,961. Bagsies, how are you doing today? How's the trading going? So we'll see if we come back up and retrace upwards. Do a little candle test. Yeah, it'll be around 17,961 if we come back up to retrace. Mr. Entries on shorts. Yeah, I think shorts may be the move here. Looks like the market's switching. And I'm a little too conservative, so I'm not even going to get a fill on this. All right, let's check the Robinhood real quick. We're still sitting around 20,000. Oh, hey, TikTok. Y'all can't see my whole screen, can y'all? I'm sorry. I sort of left y'all hanging. But we are on YouTube. I know there's 40 of y'all watching right now. What platform do we use? We're trading futures on Tradevate, and we're using this app called this broker called Topstep. It's a prop firm, and I'm really liking this prop firm business model, because they're basically giving you money as long as you're a good trader. They're giving you money to trade with. And it's so cheap for us to get these accounts. And I was trying to get my camera to working on TikTok, but it interferes with my YouTube cam, so I can't get it streaming. Second. Link in bio. Regroup. All right, so we had a little rejection there. I was a little too conservative, not getting a fill. I'm looking to go short at 17,961, but I'm going to take this order off. Looks like we may be coming down to VWAP. VWAP's going to be the orange line on your screen. And we may do a VWAP test. The green line, which is the 9 EMA, is looking to head down to VWAP. And from there, it's hard to have a long bias on this trade. We did have a large move to the upside when you zoom out. We had that non-farm payrolls. We sort of gapped up. I would call it a gap up. And then there may be some inconsistencies down here. So the market may pull back down. Or it may not. Either way, we're just scalping trades, so it's not too big a deal for us. Is that helpful? And on your screen right now, it's going to be this account that I have on. I had some extra money sitting on Robinhood. And if you look at it, today we're down 400 bucks, not too big deal. On the week, it's up $3,200. And that's just selling options, and I bought some call options and stuff. Then on the month, about 1,900. It's just sort of going up and down. I'm still happy to have 2,000 on a month. Past 3 months, we've just been hovering from 15,000. It even went down to 10,000. Luckily, I don't check it that often. It went up to 23, down to 10, back up to 20. It's just some positions that we're holding. Year to date, started out 7,500. I think we deposited money not too long ago. We're up 10,000. At one point, it was up 15K. Still didn't take the money. It is just going to be some stocks we're holding long term. We're just selling some premium and collecting a premium on it. All time, what's it say? Up 12,800. Still happy. Oops. Pretty cool, right? If y'all want to keep looking at this account, just go ahead and double tap your screen, and I'll load it up every now and then for y'all. I had to install the Robinhood app on my phone again so I can do some trades on it. Oh, whoa. All right, we're coming down to the VWAP test. As we thought would happen. Still haven't touched VWAP. We want to see how it interacts there. All the moving averages, they're coming up really close to each other right now, so it's real compact. Take a look. There's only, what, 40-point spread between the 50 and the 200. So it's just a big consolidation pattern. What happened was the 50 moved really far away from the 200. The 200 is going to be that purple line. And now they're just coming back closer as we're consolidating. All right, Bagsies. Nothing taken? No, you retracted it. You said something about not trading anymore. Are you trading still? I don't know what happened to it. There, I made you a moderator. All right, we're coming back down, getting rejection off the 50. We're coming back down to test VWAP. The message still shows. I can't see the message. see if there's any trade opportunities. Let's check Neo. The Robinhood charts suck. Oh, you gotta stop that break even on live. Okay. I'm tempted to trade my Express. Just go aggressive on it. I don't care about that 5-day green rule. I don't even know why that rule is there. You should just trade. Getting a little VWAP bounce here. I want to see how it interacts. I think the market's just going to consolidate for a bit more. So if we break down below this low, we may look to go short again. Man, we were right on the shorts. AOD games, coffee. Yeah, I drink a ton of coffee. I also skip breakfast too. I need to lose some weight, so just eat lunch and dinner. How many machines has your son done now? We're at 15 machines. And I stopped posting because I didn't want to say we're gonna get a bunch. But yeah, I'll probably get up to like maybe 30 machines and just call it a day. But we're at 15 right now. See how those machines are doing. It's nice little phone apps. Oh, you can't see it. On the week, we do maybe 1,800 bucks a week. It looks like 1,800 to 2,000. I think once school gets out, the machines should start bringing in maybe 3,000 to 4,000 a week. And profit on that's probably 40 to 55%. All that money is just going into a long-term account. Bye. Okay. Yeah, it's easy work. Maybe 8 hours a month or so. 12 hours of work a month. Coffee club all day, yeah. But yeah, if you have, what, 30 machines, bringing in 4K a week. Just say 3,500 a week to be safe. 40, let's say 48% profit margin. So you're bringing $1,680 a week, 52 weeks. Almost 6 figures. We're at 87,000 for a year in income, and work on that. You'd probably be working with that 1,680 bucks hourly. Let's see if I can get that down to hourly. 30 machines, I'd say about 25 hours of work a month. 1600 times 4, 6400 divided by 25 hours. About 250 bucks an hour. The headband started selling better on Amazon. Nice. Yo, let me load up my seller account. I've actually been getting more sales too, and I'm running out of products. I'm liquidating my pink pickleball headbands, and I'm looking to sell the blue ones. Yeah, they've been doing pretty well actually. I was thinking about discontinuing it, but I may just order another set. But Billy, we need to check over your PPC on that one day. So I'll call you on Discord one day. All right, we're still just consolidating here. I'm thinking we just consolidate between the 50 and VWAP for a while. So I'm not trying to get chopped up here. But as the 50 and VWAP gets closer and closer to each other, we should break out either above or below the 50. Above the 50 or below the 200. Coming down to the 200, it's looking like a short play right here. I'm tempted to go short on the Express account. Man, we're sitting at 370 today. That's a lot of money, 370 bucks in a day. Actually, I need to buy a new computer. My laptop is laptop's doing good. It's just I want to have another computer as a backup. Do they make fast laptops? Let's check. RTX 4070. Are you trading on Topstep? EDS? You trading on Topstep? Or are you trading on your actual TOS account? Oh, traded at Topstep. Okay. Alright, the markets are testing the MA, the 200 MA. We're also testing VWAP as well. We're looking bearish. That was a really red candle. Trade idea would be to go short here at around 17,917. I'm doing this just on the eval account. We're chasing a little bit on this. Let's see if we get filled. Alright, a gaming desktop. Oh, desktops are half the price of a laptop. Which makes sense, yeah. Some volatility coming in. I'm gonna stay out of this trade. I didn't get a fill. It's looking to go short. Looks like the market's wanting a waterfall down. Getting rejection here off the MA200. Getting rejection off of the 9 EMA so far. VWAP, we're trading below. Market looking like it wants to waterfall. Thermal take gaming desktops. I have a Triton gaming laptop, works well. Yeah, I just needed anything. A laptop's running everything just fine. It's just it's hot. When I touch the laptop, it's really hot. I put a little pin underneath the laptop so I get some. Actually, it fell off. I elevate the laptop with a little pin so some airflow goes under it. Yeah. Actually, one sec. There we go, we're elevated. All right, some volume's kicking up. Good thing I took my order out to go short. It would have stopped me out really quick. Looks like we found some basing right here. Nice little support level. Oh, the desk fans. Yeah, I think I should get that. I'll look into it. Okay, the market's just been in sleep mode. It is Friday. We made a couple large moves for pre-market. Now we're just sort of just chopping. Hey Ruben, what's up? The music, I just have a random playlist that I downloaded some songs off of the CapCut. Rainy day in Austin. We're looking to drive through Austin here pretty soon, maybe in like 2 or 3 weeks. Gonna jump into an RV and just drive around for maybe 1 or 2. Maybe go to Galveston, go to Houston, I'm not too sure. Am I looking at cryptos? No, I'm actually looking to sell. I have some Bitcoin. I sold a little bit of my Bitcoin already. I may sell some more. I saw that there's a couple of pump and dumps that are real popular right now. Longs are actually looking good right here. I'm not gonna go into it. I'm gonna wait. I feel like I'm trading just to trade, you know? I'm already green on the day, so don't really need to force any trades. But it's fun. Trading's fun, right? Alright, we're coming up to the 50. Looking to break above the 50. It's only moving up because I said I wasn't gonna trade this. That was the candle. It was. Alright, if we back test, I'm gonna try to get in. I'm gonna place my entry at the bottom of that last red wick. See if we can get a fill. I'm gonna move my stop loss up really tight. Yeah, we have 2 lives going on YouTube. This one is gonna be a horizontal screen that you're looking at. Oh man, my stop loss is a little too tight. And then the other one, the other stream that's going on is gonna be a vertical video. All right, we're in a long. We're trying to get in on this little back test of this large green candle. They're hitting some stops. Hopefully they don't come down to our stop loss. So if this candle closes as a doji, then we're in the right position. Nope, it didn't close as a doji. Still at about break even on this trade. We're gonna come up and test a 50. I'm gonna move my stop loss up actually. The trade is green, a little bit green. If you have a vertical monitor, yeah, the other one's if you're on like a cell phone or something like that, you can click the other one if you want. No, I'm gonna set a tight stop. Yeah, we're gonna get out of that. So it's just 2 really fast scalps that didn't really work out in our favor. All right, I feel like I was trading just to trade. That was just on the evaluation, so not too big a deal. Funded account is still at 370 today. I'm gonna leave it there so I have a good weekend. I don't want to go red on that and just ruin my weekend. Don't do it. Don't do it. My goodness. We're about to break to the upside, it looks like. We're about to have a large move. I'm not going to try to say it's going to go up because it can still get rejected and go down. Still on the eval account. I'm going to try it long right here. Got a bad fill on that. I'm going to move my stop down. Let's go ahead and see. Sort of revenge trading this is what it is. It's not pushing up like I thought it would. The horizontal link is a lot better on the phone. Yeah, you can see the whole screen. I just figured I'd do both. YouTube had an option for it, so. All right, we're consolidating right here. I'm in a position, not the best position because we're not breaking above the 50 like I thought we would. Sort of is what it is. Not a perfect trader. Turning green, here is the break above the 50. There we go. If we can push above that 945 area, we should get a nice move upwards. I'm gonna trail behind it with my stop loss. Pretty standard trade. Reducing the risk. I'm gonna take all the risk out of this trade and just put it at break even. If it breaks even, then that's fine with me. Oh, they're hitting stops. Yep. Trade it still looks good. I just got stopped out. But so far our intuition has been on point lately. Yeah, so like I was saying earlier, I've been trading really well. Even that was a good trade for me. The entry was bad, but the management of the trade was good. So I consider that a success. I didn't remove my stop loss or anything like that. If we would have taken a loss on it, it would have been fine with me. So. Alright, so how's everyone doing over there in TikTok land? Go ahead and write in the chat if you're red or green today. See it, green, red, green, green. I'm just a little bit green. I'd consider this just break even. On the Express account, we're still green, still 330. This is a blown demo account. It's an old one. That would have been a perfect entry. We came back down to test this large green candle to the upside. Thank God that song. How do I turn that music off? Let me check. Is the music loud for y'all? It was supposed to just be like drum beats, just so it has something in the background, like really quiet. I should just put that the Wii music in the background, just have that playing nonstop, but we'll probably get a copyright. All right, market looks pushy. We did break above this little trend line. Actually, we're coming back up to it. Music's okay. We still have this zone down here that acted as a pretty nice support. This is support from pre-market as well. We're right. We switch biases right here. So we went from bullish to bearish right here, and that's when I switch biases, and then I switch from bearish to bullish somewhere around here. I'm gonna stay bullish right here. I think we might continue up. Yeah, the music is on like really quiet now, so it's just, you should barely even hear anything. Let me load it on my phone and see. Frozen on my phone. Yeah, the music, that song is loud. What song is that? All right, it should be really quiet now. I'm gonna stay bullish as long as we trade above this zone. We're moving pretty far away from the 9 EMA, so I don't really have a trade set up going in. But people are going to be trading the breakout, so. I'll probably come back down. If we test the 50 EMA, we can get into a long position. The 50 is sitting all the way down here. So I'd be setting my buy somewhere down here in this area. It might not get filled, but if it doesn't, that's fine too. I'll just set this around here. If we come back down to this little circle, ellipse, we can get in. Look at that pattern. Okay, it's 10:30 and nothing's really happening in the markets right now. I've had some good intuition in the trades, in mental trades. Execution hasn't been the best, which is why we're only sitting at about 370 on the express. Only $100 profit. Trade management, I'd say, was good as well. Managing the losers, only taking small losses. As far as managing the winning trades, I didn't manage it the best, so I was a little bit tight on the stop losses. Is what it is. I guess I'm going to go ahead and hang up on you guys. If you're not in the group yet, or if you're not trading with Topstep and Apex, go ahead and go to my website. It's going to be the link in the bio. It's going to be quicktrades.net. It's going to bring you to this site right here. All you have to do is click Topstep if you want 65% off. You can click Apex if you want 80% off and use our code. And then go ahead and join the Discord if you have any questions for me. And I'll see you Monday. We'll be going live. Thanks.